Hello everyone, welcome to Sam's Vlogs again. Good morning to each and every one of you. Good evening and good day. Saan man kayo dako ng mundo, sana po mag-ingat po kayo lahat. And our content for today is gagawa po tayo ng foliar. Yan. Actually, may nagawa na po ako. Ito. Last time na ginawa ko, it's ano lang po ito. Let me see, let's open it.